intro you will give. When it comes to body, you will have first part, second part, and conclusion. So whenever you see any question, try to have this kind of idea, so that while you are presenting, you can have how many words are required for this part, how many words are required for this part. Otherwise, what happens? We will enter into one part and we will give so many words. And the second part, we may not give those many words. But the question demands equal importance to both parts. That's why you should have, immediately after seeing that, you should have this idea. Introduction you are going to write, conclusion you are going to write, but main body part which gives the marks, how many parts are there? 1 and 2. So first part is geographical area known to them. Area known to them and role of geography. And suppose I did not explain like the same phrase, the geographical area known to them, but I have used a different term. If you remember, we started with this particular extent of Indus Valley civilization. Do you remember, Sanju? So same, UPSC will give different language. It doesn't mean you did not read at all or we have not covered in the class. It might have been covered in the class, or you might have read in the books also. Only part you should know that what exactly the topic is relevant to this particular phrase. Here the extent, if I give what is the extent of Indus Valley civilization, you will not feel that much difficult, because it is directly dealt. You will know in north this side, in west this side, in south this side, east this side. But they are asking geographical area known to them. It is indirectly the extent of the area. The extent, you can say north up to Manda, south up to Daimabad area, west and east Alamgirpur. So west side Baluchistan, northern side Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir, southern side up to Maharashtra, and the eastern side up to UP. And in between, Haryana is there, Rajasthan is there, Gujarat is there. All these areas, geographical area known to them. So that is one way of representing the state concept. The modern states, Baluchistan, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, that is one way of representing in the geographical area. In the second way of geographical area, extending that, this geographical area covers various ecological zones. It covers desert area, it covers plain area, coastal area, hilly area, plateau area. Geographical in terms of, in the language of political boundaries, statewide, this also you can mention. In terms of geographical feature, these are called geographical features. So this area is known to them. In this geographical location, they have these different types of geographical features. Suppose if I give, just you mention this broadly. And this part we are yet to discuss, but now I am giving you the rough idea. This is the core area. They had complete control. And they had some periphery area as well. And they know even this area, geographical area known to them. Today we have Google Map. If I ask what geographical area we know means, we have almost entire earth, everywhere we can pinpoint. But if I ask on Mars, what is the geographical area known to us? We don't know, because we don't have information. At this age, they had geographical area, the knowledge up to here. They had up to this area. So you can mention this part also. This is the geographical area known to them. And in fact, they brought gold from polar fields. They know up to here. But they don't know about Europe, they don't know about that Siberia, they don't know about Africa. We don't have any reference. You mention broadly this terminology. You have this. First one, core area. You write the model answer, you can say, or framework. Geographical area known to them. Core area. In core area, you can mention the present day. Pakistan, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat. When it comes to Pakistan, you have Punjab and Balochistan. This is one way of. Second one, peripheral area. When it comes to peripheral area, you can mention Manda and westernmost Balochistan, westernmost Balochistan, and southernmost Daimabad. Daimabad. And when it comes to this area, in this core area, they have plain also, and they have hills, plateaus, coastal area also, desert also. So you mention political dimensions also, and these dimensions also you can mention. Then when it comes to Manda, you can use Himalayas, hilly area, and southernmost Daimabad area, semi-arid, again semi-arid or desert. These are the features. And third one, third geographical location, distant lands. Distant lands are foreign territories. Just known area only, but in a different way. So they know. This we have yet to discuss. You might not have written this. Central Asia, Persian Gulf, Mesopotamian civilization, far off lands. So this is what the difference comes. Suppose the extent of civilization means we will restrict to this the boundaries. But the question is geographical area known to them. They know this area also, they know this area also, they know this area also, they know this area also. But it might not be directly under control them. These far off lands, they were not controlling these lands, but they definitely know it. There was one question with respect to Vedic people, because this is one of the reasons in debates whether Vedic people knew ocean or not. Because there are multiple theories. These Harappan people are Vedic people, that is one theory. Or Vedic people built the cities and they are the Harappan people. Suppose if, let us assume Vedic people, Harappan people are same, then Harappan people are very good in navy and they know the coastal area. But when it comes to Rig Veda, hardly any references for the ocean. There is mention of Samudra, but that Samudra could be just a confluence of rivers. Whenever two rivers merge, it appears like a ocean. Huge. In that context, they mentioned. That is why now this is one of the counter argument that when Harappan people knew ocean, but Vedic people don't know ocean. So this again goes counter to the theory that both are same people. Samudra, they mentioned, the word Samudra they mentioned, but it might be the confluence of, because Indus River is very big, and today itself big, and in those times it might be very large. Tethys in 2000 BC, 3000 BC, we don't find. By that time already, Himalayas already formed. Tethys means between Tibet region and Indian mainland. But this formation happened, Tethys happened before the formation of Himalayas. Because Himalayas formed out of the sediments of Tethys. When Vedic people knew Himalayas, that means there is no Tethys. Tethys is not there because Himalayas are there. Tethys was there before Himalayas. So that's why only they are mentioning about rivers. But comparing with the present day, those rivers are very big. And because of that, they could continue for, even Harappan people could use the Indus River for thousands of years. More than 1,000 years they utilized the river resource. That means one is population is less, second one is resource of river is very huge. That's why the terminology, you have to see the terminology. If I ask extent of Harappan people, just you mention the area which is directly under their control. But the geographical area known to them means they know these far off lands also. This is how you have to think when it comes to the question, answering the question. Done.